Have you ever wondered why, despite all your candles and whispered prayers, your financial or romantic reality remains stagnant? The truth is cold but necessary. You lack density. In the spiritual realm, intention is the map, but blood is the fuel. Many tremble at the mention of Goetic blood magic. Conventional religion has taught you to fear the visceral, the living, the raw. But the truth that the great magicians of the past knew and the occult elite still practice is that blood is the ultimate signature of the physical plane. It is the golden link that brings a demon from the lesser key of Solomon directly to your altar to execute your command with surgical precision. But why blood? It is not about sadism or superstition. It is occult physics. The spirits of the Goetia inhabit dimensions of subtle frequency. To interfere with matter, to make that wealth appear in your bank account, or to trigger an uncontrollable, primal attraction, they require a vessel for manifestation. Your blood contains your DNA, your ancestral heritage, and your concentrated life force. When you seal a Goetic sigil with blood, you are giving the spirit a body. You are saying, I offer this density so you may have the strength to act within my reality. This is why blood rituals for wealth, power, and lust are relentless. They do not ask permission from destiny. They bend reality through the force of life itself. However, here is what the internet forums will never tell you. Blood is a universal amplifier. If you cast your blood into a ritual while your mind is infested with trauma, scarcity, fear, or heartbreak, you have just amplified your own internal hell tenfold. A Goetic spirit enters through the door you open. If your mental house is in ruins, the spirit will feed on that decay. This is why many seek pacts and, instead of finding riches, they lose the little they have. Blood magic demands a mental throne that is clean, so you remain the master and never the slave. I perform these rites. I have mastered the art of Goetia through blood and the raw power of Kimbanda to pull what you desire from the shadows. I am here to lead those who seek true results, not just empty promises. If you are ready to stop scratching the surface and start commanding your reality, subscribe to this channel and turn on all notifications. Like this video to strengthen our current of power, and leave a comment below if you seek the path of the ancient masters. The time for weakness is over. Be worthy of the power you summon.